What's up, guys? It's Double Nicks, and in today's episode, we're going to be taking a look at Lexicon Pharmaceuticals Inc. ticker symbol LXRX. I'll say it again. LXRX. Lima, X-ray, Romeo, X-ray. An FDA approval and increased volume play. Now, before we begin, ladies and gentlemen, if you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button, set notifications on so you don't miss any episodes, and like, share, comment, subscribe, do all those cool things. And let me begin by also saying that we are not financial or stock advisors, and we are not giving stock or financial advice. This episode is for entertainment purposes only. Hey! Always do your own due diligence. Now, if you want access to our private Discord, you can actually get our pre-market picks early as the link to that is in the description down below. We pick a lot of bangers a lot of times, and one example actually is on Friday, May 26th of 2023, for example. We called out VSTM, Victor Sam Tango Mike, and just before it ran 150%. Now, we've also included a link to our membership website program, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and over 360 episodes of material on how we find and trade stocks, how we determine our entry and exit points on trades, how to read candlestick patterns, how to read key levels, how to use critical indicators, and much, much more. Of course, there are no guarantees that you'll succeed in trading stocks if you join our membership site or not, but we share with you how we trade and what's been working for us. Again, not stock advice, none of that. So let's get right into it with Lexicon Pharmaceuticals Inc. ticker symbol LXRX, which is located in the Woodlands, Texas. Now, this is a publicly traded NASDAQ healthcare biotechnology company with a $602.81 million market cap with 87 employees. Lexicon Pharmaceuticals Inc., LXRX, is a biopharmaceutical firm whose primary focus lies in the exploration, progression, and distribution of cutting-edge pharmaceutical solutions for the treatment of various human diseases. Among their notable drug candidates, LX9211 or LX9211, I'll call it, which is basically in some phase 2 clinical development, is an orally administered small molecule that exhibits potential for alleviating neuropathic pain. Additionally, sodagliflozin, yeah, that's a big word. Sodagliflozin is another orally delivered small molecule that completed phase 3 clinical trials and has demonstrated potential applications in treating heart failure and type 1 diabetes. Now, Lexicon Pharmaceuticals Inc., LXRX, was actually established in 1995. So let's take a look at its most recent news. Now, on Friday of May 26, 2023, we are actually filming this episode on May 27th of 2023. LXRX announced that it had obtained FDA approval of INPEFA or INPEFA trademark sotagliflozin, I think they call it, for the treatment of heart failure. And INPEFA was granted broad label across the full range of the left ventricular ejection fraction, including HFpEF and HFrEF, and for patients with or without diabetes. It was reported that INPEFA reduced the risk of total occurrence in cardiovascular death, hospitalization for heart failure, and urgent heart failure visits by 33% compared to placebo in the Soloist WHF study. Lexicon management actually plans to hold a live conference call and webcast on Tuesday, May 30th, 2023 at 8 o'clock a.m. Eastern Time or 7 a.m. Central Time. It really depends. The 10-day trade volume for LXRX was actually $1 million. Friday's volume was $7 million, and following the news of the FDA approval, shares of Lexicon Pharmaceuticals actually rose 15% to $3.65 in after hours as of 6:44 p.m. on Friday. Now, undoubtedly, the news about the FDA approval of LXRX's heart failure treatment drug and the upcoming conference call to discuss this progress it could continue to move the price action upward for LXRX. So we'll be keeping an eye on it. We're going to check it out. But as we said earlier, if you want access to our private Discord, you can get our pre-market picks early. The link is in the description down below. You'll get information like this. We pick a lot of bangers a lot of times, and you know what? We're just made different. We're built different, you know? The early bird gets the cash, you know, the money, the loot, the cashola, the big bucks, I tell you. So, we also have included a link to our membership website, which also includes all of our incredible stock picks and over 360 episodes of material on how we find and trade the stocks, how we determine our entry and exit points, etc., how to read the candlestick patterns, how to read key levels, how to use critical indicators, much more. So many things. And of course, there are no guarantees that you will succeed in trading stocks if you join the membership site or not, but we share with you how we trade, what works for us, like I said. And in conclusion, Lexicon Pharmaceuticals, Inc., LXRX, is a publicly traded NASDAQ company that is in the healthcare and biotech sector. They announced that it received U.S. FDA approval of its heart failure drug INPEFA. They are a company that we will be watching. With the right continued increase in volume, we do believe it could be conducive for a momentum parabolic day trade. And their financials are not really great, so we won't really be holding any positions. But we might take it as maybe a swing trade or a long-term thing. Maybe. Now, will it run parabolic? Well, it'll need a continued increase in volume, but who knows for sure. We're still in the bearish market. This is not stock advice at all. We are not pros. This is my opinion, and quite frankly, I will have LXRX on my watch list. So that's pretty much it for me. So thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, as well as ring that bell icon to stay notified when new videos are uploaded. Also, ladies and gentlemen, I don't know. I like it. We'll see what happens. Anyways, it's Double Nicks as always, and I love you guys. I love you, and I'm out. Peace. Bye-bye.